Hello, everyone. Welcome to Everyday English Talk. My name is Emma. I am very happy to see you here today. On this channel, we learn English in a simple and natural way. One of the best ways to learn English is by listening to stories. Stories help you learn new words, understand sentences, and enjoy learning. So today, we are going to learn English by listening to a famous fairy tale. Today's story is called Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. Please relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. Let's begin. Long ago, in a faraway land, there was a large and busy city. The streets were always full of people. There were markets with colorful fruits, shops with beautiful clothes, and many sounds of people talking and laughing. In this city lived a poor young boy named Aladdin. Aladdin lived with his mother in a small and simple house at the edge of the city. Their house was old and they did not have many things. His father had died many years ago, so Aladdin and his mother lived a difficult life. Aladdin was a kind and friendly boy, but he was also a little lazy. He did not like hard work. Instead, he spent most of his time walking around the city. He watched the busy markets, listened to people talking, and played with his friends. Sometimes he sat quietly and dreamed about a better life. He wanted to be rich, wear fine clothes, and live in a big house, but he did not know how to change his life. Aladdin's mother worked very hard every day. She made clothes for people and tried her best to earn money. Her hands were always busy, and she was often tired. Still, she smiled and took care of Aladdin. She loved him deeply and hoped that one day he would become responsible and successful. One hot afternoon, something strange happened. A mysterious man arrived in the city. He wore long, dark clothes and had sharp eyes. This man was not an ordinary traveler. He was a powerful magician who had come from a distant land. For many years, he had been searching for a magical lamp hidden inside a secret cave. He believed that this lamp had great power, and he wanted it for himself. As the magician walked through the market, he saw Aladdin. He looked at the boy carefully and smiled. He knew that Aladdin was the one he had been searching for. He walked toward him and spoke in a kind voice. "Are you Aladdin, the son of Mustafa?" he asked. Aladdin was surprised to hear his father's name. "Yes," he replied. The magician pretended to be his uncle. He spoke warmly and said he had known Aladdin's father many years ago. Aladdin trusted him. The magician gave him some money and asked him to take it home to his mother. When Aladdin reached home, he told his mother everything. She was confused and a little worried, but she welcomed the man politely. The magician acted kindly and friendly, but inside his heart, he was planning something evil. The next morning, the magician asked Aladdin to come with him on a short journey. Aladdin agreed. They walked far away from the city, passing hills and empty land. After a long walk, they reached a quiet and lonely place near the mountains. The air was still, and there was no one around. The magician made a small fire and threw a strange powder into it. Suddenly, the ground began to shake. A loud sound filled the air, and a large stone door appeared in the ground. Aladdin was frightened and stepped back, but the magician told him not to be afraid. He explained that there was a secret cave under the stone door, and that only Aladdin could enter it. He gave Aladdin a magic ring and said it would protect him. Then he told him to go inside the cave and bring back an old lamp. Aladdin slowly went down into the dark cave. Inside, he saw a beautiful and magical place. There was a garden filled with shining jewels. The trees had sparkling stones instead of fruits. Everything glowed with colorful light. Aladdin was amazed. He walked deeper into the cave and found a small room. In the center of the room, there was an old lamp. It looked dirty and simple, but it was very important. Aladdin picked up the lamp and also collected some shining jewels. Then he went back to the entrance and called the magician. The magician became very excited and asked for the lamp, but Aladdin asked him to help him out first. The magician became angry and refused. He shouted loudly and demanded the lamp. When Aladdin did not give it, the magician closed the door and trapped him inside the cave. Aladdin was alone in the darkness. He felt scared and helpless. He sat down and thought about what to do. Suddenly, he remembered the ring. When he touched it, a bright light appeared and a powerful genie came out. The genie said he would obey the person who wore the ring. Aladdin quickly asked to be taken out of the cave. In a moment, he was safely outside. He ran home and told his mother everything. When she rubbed the lamp, another powerful genie appeared. This genie could grant any wish. Aladdin and his mother were amazed. Soon their lives changed. They had food, money, and a better home. As time passed, Aladdin became richer and more confident. One day, he saw Princess Jasmine and fell in love with her. With the help of the genie, he became a prince and married her. But the evil magician returned and stole the lamp. He took the palace far away. Aladdin was heartbroken, but used the magic ring to find it. With courage and a clever plan, he defeated the magician and brought everything back. In the end, Aladdin and Princess Jasmine lived happily. Aladdin became wise and kind. He never forgot his past and always used his power for good. And that is the story of Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. I hope you enjoyed listening. If you like stories like this, please subscribe to Everyday English Talk and click the bell button for more updates. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving your English every day. See you in the next story. Stay tuned. Goodbye.